Find or read reviews that people are talking about TORCONE car battery jump starter with air compressor, 6000A. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. All-in-one portable jump starter. Say goodbye to old, bulky jumpstart battery packs. The TORCONE lithium battery jump starter is more lightweight and portable, with offering 7 integrated functions to meet all your needs, including car emergency jump start, air compressor, pressure gauge, 3 light modes, flashlight, SOS warning, strobe, and a power bank, USB ports for charging mobile devices. It is an all-in-one portable solution for road trips, outdoor adventures, and emergency situations. Start dead batteries. The car jumper starter portable offers unmatched power with a 6000A peak current and force start function, ensuring you can confidently start your stranded vehicles in low-voltage batteries even at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With its long-lasting durability and ease of use, it's the ultimate tool for those who want to be self-reliant on the road. 150 psi cordless inflator jump box. This portable car jump starter with air compressor combines cutting-edge features for a seamless experience. With an advanced air compressor capable of 45 liters per minute turbo inflation, and smart preset pressure detection with auto shut-off. It's an efficient solution for quickly filling tires and other inflatables. 4 inflation modes, max 150 psi, 4 nozzles for wide applications, cars, motorcycle, bikes, balls, and more. The large and sunlight viewable screen reads real-time data at a glance. Portable, easy, and comfortable. Portable and compact. The battery jump starter package in the EVA bag, which doesn't take too much space in your car. Never worry about losing parts. Thanks to the widened honeycomb hole design, the jump starting temperature of the battery jump starter is reduced by 30% to let heat pass through quickly. Note, the air tube will be hot after inflation. Please wait until it cools off to remove. Enhanced safety and quality. The portable jump starter for car has built-in 10 protection features that prevent misoperation from occurring, meeting national standard. Its durable ABS housing is tough enough to withstand accidental drops. Our customers' safety and comfortability using this product is our top priority. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.